This video shows how to install the rain tent on the Babboe Big. The rain tent package includes the rain tent, 4 bent poles and a cross section. Installing the poles. Start with the poles at the handlebar side. These poles are marked with a green sticker. The poles with a red sticker are used in the front. Insert the poles with the green stickers in the holders on the outside of the box. Always insert the poles into the holders up to the ridge. Now attach the cross section. Then insert the poles for the front in the holders first and then in the cross section. If everything is assembled correctly, there should be some tension on the poles, as this is how they will remain in place. Installing the rain tent. Unfold the tent and unzip all zips. Lay the tent over the poles. The narrow side with Velcro strip should be at the handlebar side. Pull the tent down over the poles and loosely secure the corners to the brackets. Make sure that the tent is positioned straight onto the poles. If the poles are not placed between the seams, the tent will be askew and may start shifting. The edge of the box should be parallel to the edge of the tent, as seen from the inside. Make sure that the poles are firmly in place. Use the straps to loosen or tighten it a bit. Now that the tent is straight and tightly in place, the zips may be closed simultaneously. First pull the tab towards you, and as you close the tent, pull the zip towards you and down. If this doesn't go smoothly right away, but yet the tent is set up straight, let it sit for about 10 minutes so it can stretch. It will be much easier afterwards. Now pull the ends of the straps through the elastic bands to prevent them from flapping in the wind. A sunroof, which can be used in combination with the poles for the rain tent, is also available. Great, well done!